2254, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Thank you. 2254.
Skyline 4796, on out to Docker, wind 2507, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
On out Docker, 25 right, clear for takeoff, Skyline 4796.
Air last is 146 at Lima, hold short of, runway 25 right.
Lima, hold short, runway 25 right, and last 146.
Qantas 16 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, traffic across downfield, full length, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Full left, 25 right, line up and wait. Qantas 16 Heavy.
American 2254, Juliet, cross runway 25 right, counter ground, 0.75, thanks.
Juliet, cross 25 right, ground, so 5 minutes. 2254, thank you.
Air last is 146 at Lima, cross runway 25 right, taxi straight ahead on Lima and to the city ramp.
Roger, goes in runway 25 right, via Lima, and contact from the 146.
And 4796 departure.
Got 4796, contact still got departure, thanks.
Later.
And last is 146, contact the city ramp 131.07.
City ramp 13107, at 11 146.
And left is 146, taxi into the city ramp and contact them 13107.
LA Tower, good evening, NLS is 518. 7 DME, final runway 25 left.
Qantas 16 Heavy, on nav Docker, wind 2507, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
On that Docker 25 right, clear for takeoff. Qantas 16 Heavy.
New Zealand 5 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, caution wake turbulence, runway 25 right, line up wait.
Runway 25 right, clear line up wait, New Zealand 5 Heavy.
LA Tower, good evening, NLS is 518. 6 DME, final runway 25 left.
Air left is 518, Los Angeles Tower, Heavy Airbus 330 departing, caution wake turbulence, wind 2407, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Caution with wake turbulence and clear to land, runway 25 left, NLS is 518.
Sorry, 507, just outside of GT.
Yeah, 507, Los Angeles Tower, Heavy 777 will depart the parallel runway, caution wake turbulence, wind 2407, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Land 25 left, 507.
Los Angeles Airport information X-ray now, current wind 2607, altimeter 299.8. Qantas 16 Heavy, contact look departure, good night.
Qantas 16 Heavy, good night. Tower United 1813. 025 left traffic at start.
Yeah, 1813 Los Angeles Tower, wind 2507, runway 25 left, clear to land.
25 left, clear to land, United 1813.
Airlines 518, exit to the right at Hotel 7, taxi Hotel to Lima.
SC Hotel 7, Hotel to Lima on left 518.
New Zealand 5 Heavy, RNAV Docker, wind 2507, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Docker 25 right, clear takeoff, New Zealand 5 Heavy.
American 2453 medevac, Los Angeles Tower, caution wake turbulence, your discretion, runway 25 right, line up weight.
Line up weight 25 right.